Hello, welcome to Little Moonseed's Arty Crafty channel. Today we're making Christmas pudding piñata baubles out of paper mache. You will need glue, and the recipe for that will be at the end of the video. We need shredded newspaper. We're using a styrofoam ball or a mould to make our bauble shape. We use twine to wrap around our styrofoam ball. That holds it in place, and it also means that we can have a loop at the top to hang it on your tree. Now we can start paper macheing. Oh, yes, I forgot the cling wrap. So I'm putting cling wrap around because I wasn't sure if it was going to stick to it. Yay! Now we start paper macheing. So we're putting little strips from the glue. This is really awesome glue, by the way. It's really gluggy and fun to play with. You get little strips of paper and you're just going to put it round one way, round another way, and do that because it makes it stronger. Always testing it, making sure that it's strong enough as we go. Because this is a piñata, so you want to have a little bit of fun to break. And you also don't want to fall apart when it's hanging on the tree. I put lots and lots and lots of layers on mine, but it's up to you how much you do. So now it's perfect. We want to cover it with a little bit of white paper. This is awesome for using up old bits of scrap paper or anything you've got lying around other than tax receipts that you want to add to the bauble. Putting over white paper takes down the amount of paint you have to use. And it also makes it feel a little bit finished. I'm using paper towel. You can use anything. You can use white paper, newspaper, tissue. Once you dunk it in the glue, it's really nice and soft and squishy. It makes the best icing. Then we need tiny little balls so that we can make our berries. And this is just a piece of cardboard with white paper on top that we're going to make leaf shapes for our holly. They might not look good right now, but remember they're going to be painted. And at the end of the day, this is about having fun. We're going to stick everything to the top. The berries, the holly, the icing's on there, and now we just have to let it all dry. So once it's all dry, we can cut it apart to reveal its insides. Oh look, it's a ball. That's where I put it. Snip, snip. Now we fill it with lollies and candy and treats. I'm just going to try this one because it might be poison. And then fill it with treats. And we're going to stick it together. We don't want to put too much paper mache around the seal of these two pieces because we want it to be easily enough to break. We don't have to, but I think giving it a light sand makes it feel nice, but do that outside because it was very dusty. Now we're going to paint. Hurrahs! One thing I didn't record me doing is getting a little Posca marker and making some little white lines on the berries and the leaves, which makes it really cute and makes it look shiny. All painted. Now this is something you don't have to do, but I think it makes it look really specky. I used triple thick gloss varnish, but you can use any varnish, and just giving it a little light brush or a spray if you have that. You can use Mod Podge as well. It's so pretty! Now we hang it on our tree. I'll admire it for just 1 second because it is so beautiful. And then we smash it! And obviously I put a little too much layers on. Ta-da! Yeah. That's just, yeah, it could be poisoned. You just never know these things. Oh yeah, no, that one's good. Hey, gentle. Good little bauble.